There's fucking dirty ass cat hair in it now.
No, it's not. Guys, Alexei, he likes coffee. And
There's shit all over him.
where?
All over his feet and all over his butt and everything.
But just clean him up, Joe. Let's see. Let's see. What is the crisis? Oh, look, he's leaking. What's this? Joe, what is he leaking there?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream. He likes whipped cream. He got into whipped cream, huh?
It's all over the back of him.
Where? Back leg?
Mm-hmm.
Where? I don't see it. Hold it. On him. Let's see. Let's see, what is it? I don't see it. What is the whipped cream? Oh, right here. Good, kitty. Let's see. Anyways. Stop being so hateful. Why he likes whipped cream?
Yeah.
You should be thankful the cats. They're so sweet. But you're not.
Oh, I know.
Onyx. Okay, guys, that's the evening routine here. I have a crab. And sweet kitties. How many you guys can count this time? I had somebody that was counting 7. That was so sweet.